Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 24 Subaru Crosstrek. Wait a minute, Don. Didn't you have one of those about a month ago? Yes, I did. Different trim level on this one. Here are the trim levels. It starts off with the base, the premium, moves up to the sport, and then the limited. I had the premium, which is just one notch above the entry level. This is a small wagon. It's made basically from the Impreza four-door sedan, but they've turned it into an SUV. They raised it up off the ground a little bit, threw on some body cladding, and boom, there you go. Seats 5 people. Redesigned for 2024, it looks a whole lot better than the outgoing model. It does have sedan-like proportions. This is not a big SUV. Sporty, off-road style wheels, larger grille now from the old model. Body cladding helps the off-road look and appeal. What I liked about it, the roof rail, as odd as this may sound, the roof rail makes it look tougher. Isn't that bizarre? Take the roof rail off of it and it looks more like a car. Put the roof rail on it. What could use improvement? I don't know. Interior highlights? Optional big infotainment screen is easy to use, and I would encourage you, if you're looking for that kind of vehicle, to get the bigger infotainment screen. Love the different interior textures in all of the models. Easy to find controls. Comfortableness is the word that I use.
Well, you're a cloth seat kind of guy.
I am a cloth seat kind of guy. Cargo trunk room, rubber mats keep it clean in the back, and it comes with the car. What I liked about it, cozy and comfortable is a good way, I think, to put it, because that's what it is. It's a small SUV, and I think that you'll like it. 2-liter boxer-style engine. In other words, horizontally opposed 4-cylinder. 152 horsepower, 145 pound-feet of torque with a CVT transmission. 27 miles per gallon in the city, 34 on the highway for a combined of 29. I got 30.4 miles per gallon over 473 miles. What I liked about it? Well, pretty much everything on the engine side. What could use improvement? Get a geared automatic transmission, at least make it available. It just is not great with the CVT, not a whole lot of pickup there. And if that's the case and you're going to stick with the CVT, then you need to have some sort of a power booster on that motor, like a turbo. Ride and handling. Car-like smooth, and I will say that. That thing rides great. What could use improvement? Off-roaders would probably like a little bit more flexibility in the ride and handling of it. In other words, make it more off-roady, but that's not what that really is about. I mean, this is a do-all car that can go off-road because it's full-time all-wheel drive.
It's a new word.
It is, and I made that road. Worthy. Base trim price, $27,440. Prices tested, well, this is a pre-production model, so I guess it's somewhere around $30K. I didn't have it.
It'd be about right,
yeah.
I guess.
Base model price, $24,995. Competitors, Honda HR-V. Think about that.
That's a small one, though.
There's really...
But it's also more vertical.
Yeah, and it doesn't have the niche that this has. It's more SUV-like, purpose-built, where this one is kind of like a crossover. It comes from the Impreza.
Well, you think Subaru, that's what you think.
Mazda CX-30 is another competitor. Again, $29,000. And the Jeep Renegade, Mike's favorite, $26,000.
That's just a crowded segment. There's just a lot of stuff in there.
There is. And so do your homework well. If you're not brand loyal, I would encourage you to go to the Subaru dealership and take it for a test drive.
And Subaru customers are rabid loyal. They, just the typical Subaru customer is a very loyal fan of the brand.
And rightly so. I mean, they're pretty good cars. They can't see much bad about them at all.
Yeah.
I mean, you?
No. I was just thinking, a friend of mine, he's on his second one. And I mean, hardcore Chrysler fan from years and years back, all the way back to when we were in high school. I mean, that was the only people that built cars, even whenever they were not so good at cars. But he's on his second one.
And when I think of Subaru, I think of the Lilienthals.
I don't. They don't have a Subaru.
No,
Yeah,
but
they're-
it's,
but
it's the outdoorsy. They're always out.
They're out
traveling,
there going places,
exactly.
doing things.
Well, they did one of their treks
Yeah,
in a Subi.
that's what I think of.
Well, at any rate, would you like to do